What's up? It's Keith with the Window Cleaning Blueprint. I'm going to quote this house with you right now, and we're going to count up the windows. I am in Michigan, so the prices may vary a little bit differently, whether you're saying California or the East Coast. But anyways, this house I would say is, I don't know, called 10,000 square feet. There's 140 pieces of glass. What I do, instead of walking around and trying to say, oh, that's a small window, oh, that's a big one, and trying to do all this extemporaneous math, I just straight up count all the pieces of glass and I average it out. And what I mean by it is that those tall windows up there, 1, 2, I know it's kind of, there you go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The windows above the front door, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's actually 4 up there, but you can't see. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, you know, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So when I see very large pieces of glass, like so, those ones are kind of small up there, but the ones below it are kind of big. So I just count them all. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of saying that's 1.5, 1.5, and 1.5, and that's 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, I just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is just the way I do it, right? Just the way I do it. I'm not claiming my way is perfect. These are windows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whenever you're cleaning windows, take a look on the roof and make sure there's not skylights or anything like that need to be cleaned with a water-fed pull system. Come here on the back. So boom, boom, boom. I already walked around. It's 139 pieces of glass. Now, I'm gonna play a little bit of math in my head with the customer and try my best to base off the conversation what I should charge them based on, you know, maybe another quote they've got, what they're expecting in their head, because window cleaning on a house like this gets expensive quick. I got my eyeballs looking for, up in those top pieces of glass, there's some stickers, so I can see that this house is new construction or has new windows. I take a little glance inside and I see this whole house is actually just being built. Oh. Okay, so this might qualify as new construction window cleaning, which I don't like doing. You might like doing it. It's a lot of hard work and scraping, and you have to get a glass waiver, scratch, you know, protection. See all this crap on all the windows? It needs to be peeled off and scraped. I'm trying to get 20 bucks for that one window only because of how much work it is. And then also releasing you from liability from scratching any windows. So that house across the street is being built too. There's some monster houses, man. So going around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is there any screens? Oh, I see some screens. 1, 2. So we'll count up the screens at $2 a piece because they're on the inside. If they're on the outside, I'd bump it up to $4 a screen, just because you got to climb up a ladder to take them out. You might have to. Walking around, I see pre-existing scratches on this window here already. You might not be able to see it, but I can see them. So I'm definitely paying attention to that. Looking at those windows way up there, I see a weird bunch of gunk. That's important to me. I want to communicate. You want to communicate to your client, hey, I see some stuff up there. I should be able to get it, but I just want to let you know there's a possibility I might not be able to get it until I go up there and take a look. But I'm going to give you a great job. I'm going to make your windows beautiful, but I just want to let you know that I know my stuff. Oh, that's beautiful. And that I'm gonna do the best I can to make it for you the best, right? But if you guarantee perfection and it's a client who expects it and then you can't fulfill on that, you've got a problem. So I don't guarantee perfection. All these, even these garage windows with the water-fed pull, see? There you go. And it's a good idea sometimes to shoot a quick little video and then send it to your client, to your customer. So let's do math real quick here. I'll do it on a private video. I'll say, hey, this is a private video sometimes when a customer isn't home. And I'll test it out, you know, and it works. I say private video. Okay, so 140 pieces of glass times, well, inside and out, we'll say $7. Now I would say 8 but there's so many pieces of glass, because if I said times 8 for in and out, we're talking 1120. I could see getting that, but 140 times 7, 980. So that means for inside and out, it's $3.50 for the outside, $3.50 for the inside, a piece of glass. Now before I go in and give them a price of about $1,000, I want $1,000 for this house. This house is going to take me and another guy all damn day, hands down, right? I say, how much work do I got to bring? I got to bring a ladder all over. I'm going to be exhausted inside of the house. I could tell by the customer's tone of voice on the phone and his nationality that he wants very good work. So always calculate that time in there for running around, buffing out windows, making sure everything is just spotless and flawless. And then, so I want $1,000 for this house. Matter of fact, oh yeah, sorry, my brain's not working. If you add in what I was talking about, the scraping of those extra windows, communicate all that, probably got about $60 in extra scraping and all that stuff. So 1,100. I'd do it all for $1,000. That's my bare minimum though. So I'm gonna come in at $1,250, which I'll say right here. Some big ass windows, bro. Are you kidding me? I get $2,000 for those houses all day. So 140 times, let's go 9, 1,260. Yeah, $1,000. All right, cool. I hope you got something out of that. The plan would be one guy on the outside water-fed pulling everything, while I'm on the inside running around clockwise with a squeegee, a scrubber, and Dawn dish soap, and just cleaning everything. And then a lot of the extra time is going back and just rechecking and make sure every window is totally spotless. I mean, obviously we'd have to bring a ladder inside of the house to clean all the inside of that. I would not use the water-fed pull on the outside of these doors. They all got to be cleaned by hand. That looks like some type of cherry oak stained. And I'm telling you, the water-fed pull will definitely create little droplet stains on that. So be very wary not to use the water-fed pull and stuff like that, because this wood here. See? Alright, cool. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the flip-flop, dog. Later.